Stop doing everything manually. People are running entire businesses on autopilot using AI. And the crazy part, you can automate your business even with zero coding skills. AI can handle your daily work like content creation, customer support, lead generation. It's like hiring a team that works 24 by 7 without salary. And guys, here you can save time, reduce costs, and scale faster without hiring. Your business runs even while you sleep. And guys, if you want to build AI systems like I personally do that run your entire business automatically, check my plan in action. Link is in the channel description. And this is the exact system what I've built. Like, I've got an idea, implemented it over here, and created a complete web app which creates me unlimited softwares. And if you need access to this kind of application, or if you like to build this on your own for your own, then you can please check out the link in the channel description, get registered, and watch a free masterclass. That's more than enough. All right, now let's get right away. And for this example purpose, I'm going to build an AI chatbot. Okay, simple and easy. And I'm going to show you how it would be done with just click of a button and also copy pasting few things. Right now, I'm going to click on create your first project. So once I create on my first project, I already got an idea, right? So I can make use of this option, fill information manually, but it takes like 4 different steps to create it. But I've got an other option which makes things really easy. That is, when I go to dashboard here, you have got AI suggest an idea. So if you don't even have an idea with you, AI can help you out with that. And if you already have an idea, a rough sketch in your mind, just type it over here, copy the prompt and paste it over here. I already have a prompt which says build a simple AI chatbot, no Firebase, where users paste content, it becomes a smart assistant. It should answer based only on the content and provide step-by-step integration code to add a chat bubble to any website. By the way, you can see here, there are more than 50 plus categories where you can create this kind of application which has very high demand in the market. Okay, in that purpose only we have designed this application where it also validates your idea. Cool. I've got an idea, so I'm going with this option. If I don't have any idea, then I'll be moving from a category which is very relevant to that. Right now, I'm going to click on this arrow. When I click on this arrow, it's asking me to select how complicated should be the application. So it should be very simple for me, and also I'm a beginner, so I'll be moving across with simple. Click on generate ideas, and it's going to buffer a little bit, and it's going to generate us with few ideas. So let us wait for a while. It takes nearly 1 to 2 minutes of time. So let us wait and check what results it would be generating. Now you can see here we have got 6 different suggestions, and the first one is DocuBuddy. What does it do? A lightweight tool where developers paste their markdown documentation to generate an instant technical support chat bubble with a 1-line script tag. And second one is boutique e-commerce. This is no need for us. And course creators paste their lessons, transcripts, and notes into tool to provide students with a 24/7 AI tutor bubble inside their LMS. Okay, this is one of the best option. We can try it out, but we are looking for a website. Agents paste their property description and disclosure documents to generate a property specific assistant bubble for listing. Okay, that is for real estate. And organizers paste the copy event okay, HR managers paste the employee handbook into a private dashboard to create an internal chat bubble for the company interact. Okay, if I'm not okay with the ideas what it generates, I can click on get 6 more ideas. So it's going to get a new 6 more ideas for you. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Okay, now the ideas got generated once again. So price bot simple. Business owners paste their price sheet and service terms to create an instant quote bubble that answers pricing questions accurately. Event guide AI. Organizers paste the event itinerary and logistical. Okay, this is no need for me. Listing lingo. Realtors paste the property description and disclosure text to create a property specific chat bubble for the listing page. Okay, this is very good. Course coach. Course creators paste their lessons transcript and FAQs to generate a steady buddy chat bubble that sits alongside the video player. Okay, let's build our application on this. So I'm going to select this idea, and here if you need any changes then you can do it. If not, then you can please click on start this project and give a price point, guys, so you can make use of yourself, and also you can sell this in the market. So I'll be giving $19 subscription fee, and you can see the market score is 85, which is pretty good to move, and click on market, and here we are going to market section, and you'll be getting signal analysis, buzz, defensive strategy, and financial lens, like how much you are going to earn and in how many days you are going to get your first customer. And also opportunity breakdown. You know, competition is literally very high, so that's the reason the thumbs are down. I'm going to click on customize. So once I click on customize, so this is an subscription model with a $19 as what we charge. If you want any ideas to be added, you can do it, or else you can click on build, and you're done. You've got your option 1 recommendation, that is your first prompt. This is a mega prompt, and second, you got your free prompt where you can create this application from Google AI Studio build. Okay, Lovable is an paid tool, guys, and but you can start for absolutely free. You can click this link and get registered to Lovable, and copy paste this lovable prompt and paste it over there, so that your complete development would be done inside Lovable ecosystem. Okay, and if you're looking to build it for free, then you can move along with Google AI Studio. Copy this prompt, go to Google AI Studio, okay, and directly paste that prompt over there. So I'm going to do that and click on build. So inside the build section only you can do it. Click on build, and within 5 or 10 minutes Google AI Studio is going to build that application for you. Okay, so this is a master prompt. That's the reason it's very lengthy, and also you have got some roadmap, so you can follow this if there is any disturbance in between. So you can follow these prompts and create your application. All right, so let's wait for a while and see like how the results would be generated over here. So it's asking me to choose the template. So this is clean, so I'm going to select this one and wait for 5 minutes. Why? Because it's going to take literally 5 to 10 minutes of time. All right, so it took nearly around 7 minutes to build this kind of application. So you can see here it's very easy, but the backend is very complicated. Now when I sign in, this is the dashboard how it looks. So the intention is very clear. We need to add a course. Okay, so once the course is added, if the viewer is having any queries, then you can type a question over there. So from the course itself, this application would be reverting back with answers. So there is no need for him to watch the course again and again, drag and wait for the exact question. Like there is no need to search where the question actually belongs to. Okay, just enter the prompt, enter the question, that's it, he'll be getting the answer. So this is how the ideation will be done. All right, guys, so if you like to try it out or like to build this kind of application on your end, then you can please check out the link in the channel description. Okay, and get into my community so you can get the exact prompts what I've used to create this kind of application. Cool. So I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.